I say, lately I've been smoking on the runs. I don't wanna hear you once. Lost 2 uncles in a month. Had 2 viewings, went to 1. And I apologize to smoke for the simple fact I didn't come. Cause if we know the shit reverse, you'll be in my casket in the front. I know you would. Yeah. I know my mama, she'll save me if she could, but I'm just too misunderstood. I know you would. Yeah. And I had to leave them breakers alone for good, cause they just made me feel too good. I'm rolling woods. Killer pain, cause I don't feel the same. I'm with some niggas I knew my whole life, and I'm feeling strange. Remember we said the money came, that we never would change. Now niggas that used to be at practice only gonna come to the game. You see the score, all the horse, and the head on the horse. But all the pain that I endured, I gotta wear all these scars. When Shorty said his love forever, I'm like, yeah, you sure? I tried to get myself together, put my head up the floor. Niggas tweaking about this money, made my soul cold. I seen the envy in his eyes from the rose gold. Old bros with my old hoes, breaking bro codes, and I be acting like I don't know though. I tell me, yo, look, fuck. Yeah, I gotta keep my effing on me every day now. Cause I don't trust niggas I grew up with at the playground. I got up and never told what they gon' say now. I told my niggas stay down, cause I heard they said they gon' see me on the way down when I'm really on the way up. I seen them, told them stay up, cause I'm way up. Quick to make a milli like a layup. If they ask me who the live is in this shit, I bet they say us, no straight up. Yeah. And you won't see me paying no nigga, cause I ain't scared of no nigga, they gotta pay us. Yeah. And you won't see me tricking on bitches, cause I'm too lit for these bitches, and nigga, I'm way up, out of here. I used to want a pair of forces and some Rockaway, but now the condo in Miami got a yacht in there. Bad bitch, solitaire on the side of the air.